Hello, and welcome back to Home Interior Inspo, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in home design. Today, we're stepping into the heart of the home, the kitchen, and specifically, we're looking ahead to uncover the most exciting kitchen cabinet trends for 2025. Kitchen cabinets are so much more than just storage. They define the kitchen's character, influence its functionality, and set the overall tone for this bustling space. The trends for 2025 are shaping up to be a beautiful blend of warmth, personality, sustainability, and smart design, moving towards spaces that are both incredibly stylish and deeply personal. If you're planning a kitchen refresh, a full renovation, or simply love to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. So hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and let us know in the comments below. What's one feature you absolutely love about your current kitchen cabinets? Or what's on your wish list for a future upgrade? The overarching philosophy for kitchen cabinet trends in 2025 is a move towards creating kitchens that feel less like sterile, utilitarian zones and more like inviting, lived-in extensions of our personal style. There's a strong emphasis on individuality, with homeowners seeking designs that tell their story rather than just replicating a catalog look. Sustainability continues to be a powerful driver, influencing material choices and manufacturing processes. We're also seeing a smarter integration of technology, not just for show, but for genuine convenience. Texture is king, bringing depth and tactile interest, while a connection to nature through colors and materials grounds these modern spaces with an enduring warmth. Ultimately, 2025 kitchen cabinets are about achieving a harmonious balance between form, function, and feeling. Let's dive into the key characteristics we'll be seeing. Color palettes are becoming richer and more nuanced. While timeless whites and grays will always have their place, we're seeing a significant shift towards warmer, earthier tones. Think soft, muted greens like sage and olive, calming pale blues, and sophisticated terracotta or warm beige. These colors create a sense of tranquility and connection to the natural world. Alongside these, expect to see richer, moodier hues making a statement. Deep forest greens, inky blues, sophisticated charcoals, and even luxurious dark browns or subtle wine reds. These can be used for all the cabinetry or as a bold accent, perhaps on an island or a bank of lower cabinets. Two-tone kitchens remain popular, offering a playful yet sophisticated way to combine colors or mix materials, such as pairing warm with lower cabinets with painted uppers. And when it comes to finishes, matte continues its reign, lending an air of understated elegance and resisting fingerprints better than high gloss. Material choices are heavily influenced by the desire for authenticity and sustainability. Natural wood is making a significant comeback, celebrated for its inherent warmth and unique grain patterns. Light oaks, rich walnuts, and even cherry wood are being embraced for their timeless appeal and ability to add organic texture. Sustainable options like reclaimed wood, bamboo, or cabinets made from recycled content are also gaining traction as homeowners become more environmentally conscious. Beyond solid wood, we'll see an increase in textured surfaces. Fluted glass cabinet doors, reeded wood panels, and even subtle stone veneers or metallic accents on cabinet fronts are adding depth and visual intrigue. Hardware is also evolving. While handleless designs with integrated channels or push-to-open mechanisms offer a sleek, minimalist look, we're also seeing a return to distinctive hardware. Think slim bar pulls, elegant knobs in brushed gold, matte black, or warm bronze, acting as jewelry for your cabinetry. In terms of cabinet styles, clean lines and minimalist profiles continue to be favored. The classic shaker door is still a strong contender, but it's being reinterpreted with slimmer frames or combined with flat panel doors for a more contemporary feel. We're seeing a thoughtful use of open shelving, not just for storage, but as a design element to display curated items, break up solid blocks of cabinetry, and add a sense of airiness. Glass front cabinets are also key. Whether using clear, frosted, reeded, or even subtly tinted glass, they offer a way to showcase beautiful dishware while keeping dust at bay. We might also see more mixing of cabinet styles within the same kitchen, creating a more eclectic and personalized look. Curved elements, such as rounded island ends or softly contoured cabinet corners, are emerging to soften the often linear nature of kitchen design, adding a touch of organic flow. And to maximize storage and create a truly seamless, integrated look, floor-to-ceiling cabinetry is becoming increasingly popular, drawing the eye upwards and making the kitchen feel more spacious and grand. Functionality, of course, remains paramount, and 2025 trends are all about making kitchen cabinets work harder and smarter. Expect to see even more ingenious storage solutions, clever pullouts for spices and utensils, deeply organized drawers with custom dividers, innovative corner cabinet systems that make every inch accessible, and dedicated pantry cabinets that keep everything tidy and out of sight. Integrated lighting is no longer an afterthought but a crucial design element. Under cabinet lighting for task areas, in-cabinet lighting to illuminate contents, and even subtle in-drawer lighting are becoming standard for a high-end feel and improved usability. Appliance garages, designed to conceal smaller appliances like toasters and coffee makers, contribute to a clutter-free countertop. And with our reliance on technology, integrated charging stations within drawers or discreetly built into cabinetry are a practical addition. We've covered a lot of ground, from sophisticated color palettes and natural materials to smart storage and evolving cabinet styles. The aim is to create kitchens that are not only beautiful but also incredibly intuitive and supportive of our daily lives. Which of these emerging kitchen cabinet trends for 2025 are you most excited about incorporating into your dream kitchen? Is it the move towards earthy tones, the embrace of smart storage solutions, or perhaps the reemergence of warm, natural woods? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're finding this forecast inspiring, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to Home Interior Inspo for more design explorations. The mood and feeling these 2025 trends aim to evoke is one of sophisticated comfort and personalized luxury. Kitchens are becoming spaces where warmth and welcome are paramount. The use of natural materials and earthy colors fosters a sense of calm and connection, making the kitchen a truly inviting hub for family and friends. There's a feeling of understated elegance, luxury that isn't loud, but rather expressed through quality materials, thoughtful details, and seamless functionality. These are kitchens that feel curated, reflecting the unique taste and lifestyle of the homeowners, moving away from cookie-cutter designs. And underpinning it all is a sense of modern efficiency and organization, making daily tasks a pleasure rather than a chore. The benefits of embracing these trends are clear. A well-designed kitchen with on-trend, yet timeless cabinetry can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your entire home and increase its market value. More importantly, it can vastly improve the functionality and organization of your kitchen, making it a more enjoyable and efficient space to cook, entertain, and simply live in. Creating a kitchen that truly reflects your personal style can also contribute to a greater sense of well-being and happiness in your home. However, there are always considerations when adopting new trends. Budget is a key factor, as some of the higher-end materials, custom features, and smart integrations can come with a significant price tag. It's also important to strike a balance between embracing current trends and choosing elements that have lasting appeal, ensuring your kitchen doesn't feel dated in a few years. The size and layout of your existing kitchen will also influence which trends are most suitable. What works in a large, open-plan space might not be practical for a smaller, more compact kitchen. And ultimately, personal style should always trump slavish trend following. Choose the elements that genuinely resonate with you and your lifestyle. Finally, consider the maintenance requirements of different materials and finishes to ensure your beautiful new cabinets remain so for years to come. In essence, kitchen cabinet trends for 2025 are all about blending style with substance, personality with practicality, and nature with thoughtful technology. We're moving towards kitchens that are more inviting, more personal, and more attuned to the way we live today. It's about creating spaces that are not just for cooking, but for connecting, creating, and enjoying the everyday moments. The focus is on quality, craftsmanship, and a design that feels both current and timeless. Thank you for joining us here on Home Interior Inspo for this exciting look into kitchen cabinet trends for 2025. We hope this has given you plenty of food for thought and inspiration for your own kitchen projects. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to Home Interior Inspo, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when we release new design content. We look forward to inspiring you again in our next video.